The winter of 2016-17 was one for the record books at the city of Surrey. The city experienced below freezing temperatures for 44 consecutive days, which has only happened 14 times in the past 100 years. The last time being in the winter of 1984-85, when the Public Works Department served a population of 150,000 residents. Today, Surrey has one of the fastest-growing populations in Canada, with 525,000 residents, traveling on 4,500 lane kilometers of streets. This significant rise in population and infrastructure resulted in 5,000 snow and ice service requests, compared to 300 in a typical winter. So, what did the City of Surrey Public Works team do? In 2010, as a response to the record-breaking snowfall of the previous year, the city built a state-of-the-art operations center and the region's largest public salt shed, with a capacity of 17,000 tons to safeguard the city against intermittent harsh winters. In addition, the city now has 61 pieces of snow and ice equipment, all of it having the latest salt management and automated vehicle locating technology, creating sustainable service for our residents while protecting our environment. The City of Surrey Public Works Department deployed a live management system for over 400 traffic cameras and ongoing social media updates. Residents are also able to submit service requests 24/7 via both the My Surrey app and the city's website. In order to continuously improve, the city purchased new sidewalk clearing equipment and installed one of the largest road weather information systems in British Columbia. The City of Surrey recognizes the need for staff and resident education and engagement. At the end of the season, the city hosted 4 Provincial Public Works Association events that were attended by over 200 professionals, with more than 25 municipalities represented, creating an environment for innovation and networking with industry leaders. At the resident level, staff worked with the Surrey School District on a snowplow painting competition, as well as snow and ice coloring contests. The City of Surrey Public Works team continues to serve the community to make Surrey an ideal place to live, work, and play.